welcome. Got an exciting evening. We got to do some more testing. Going to do a couple other fun things. Try again some more angles. Hopefully my camera will work this time. So what we got going on today? We got the ET Streets on, the Mickey Thompsons. We will get them down to 20 pounds of PSI. We're going to do some testing in the street just to see how they hook up. We again have the drag shocks on. We made the Steeda Sage 1 drag pack kit is on. So hopefully we've cured all of our traction woes, but we'll find that out tonight. This is going to be the last evening that the car is going to be open exhaust, the pipes, and the open on the side pipe headers. We are going to cap that off Monday. We're going back to the GT 500 mufflers. Yes, we're trying to quiet. We're trying to quiet the car down. Also, hopefully make the neighbors happy and my wife too. So, what else is going on? We've settled on a name. If you saw an earlier video with my wife naming the car, she called it the pumpkin car. My wife does not like this car, by the way. I hated the name pumpkin, and it just didn't stick with me. It didn't resonate. So I just started thinking, oh, well, pumpkin, Halloween, Jason. Came up with Jason. Why? This car causes lots of problems, just like Jason. So we are going to call him Jason. This is going to be his official name. That's how you're going to see him on YouTube in the future. And by the way, I do have a Instagram account, Coyotes North. So check that out if you can. Got some cool pics, short videos there. I do reference him as Jason there. So anyways, Monday we're taking her to Scotty's Auto, and they're going to install the light and flywheel along with the roller pilot bearing for the input shaft. And then when it gets reassembled, they're going to put on the one-piece drive shaft, and then they're going to connect the Steeda torque box braces and get them welded in for me. So we should be all set as far as a track car, drag car. I'm also going back to my Nittos. I think Innovas they are, to match the front tires. So with that, maybe we can try some drifting, because I can really light up those tires easily with this car. So we might have some fun doing this. This will be the last cold start that we're going to hear with the pipes and the open side exhaust. So let's let it rip. Let's get it on. We're going to hit it and head out to our testing site, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, we got 22 pounds of air in the tires, traction control is off. The last time we did this, I had it on. Yeah, I got that thrill. I'm getting the thrill back now. The tickling, which I know it's working. I'm going to do another burnout, then I'll start right here.
rubber. Wow. All right, you caught it firsthand. We had to get the tires heated a little bit. Did a couple runs, and it felt good. It felt good. I'm getting that thrill ride. I'm still spinning, but way better than before. I think we can drop the air down more. They're at 20. I laid a nice patch. You can see where I shifted. There's a blank spot. Anyways, it's all good, man. I think the work that we did, suspension, is working. It's working great. I think the next thing is just to get the tire pressure low, and should be good. I don't know if I'm gonna do any more testing. Clutch is getting hot. I had 4 or 5 maybe runs, burnouts, so when you start smelling the clutch, I'm going to back off. Anyways, all is good. Thanks to my new subscribers. Hope you like the channel. Thanks for watching, and like and subscribe to my new viewers, and I'll keep the content coming. Thanks. Have a safe and great evening.